Congratulations! You're expecting! Here's what you need to get your tech ready. You're gonna want instant access to the camera. You'll want to share and send all of your photos and videos on Facebook to all of your friends and all of your family and the whole world. Even if you've always hated those people, you're gonna be one. Honey, she's taking her first steps. Honey! Your kid's gonna gum up your phone and knock it in the toilet. And your hands will always be so full of so much baby paraphernalia. So let's get real. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna want an iPhone that has tons of storage space and ideally is fast and new. You're gonna need the upgraded space in iCloud, so just pay the monthly fee. Trust me, it's worth it. You're gonna want iCloud Photo Library so that when you take a photo on your phone, it just shows up magically on your computer, shows up on your iPad. Then you can do coffee table books, and you can do slideshows, and you can even put a slideshow on your Apple TV so that it loops on your TV. You're gonna need a waterproof case so you can drop it in the toilet. You're gonna want the Apple Care Plus plan for the iPhone so that you get these 2 incidents of repair at a super discounted price. You're gonna need to understand the privacy settings in Facebook so that you can know if you're sharing something with family or the world. You're gonna need to learn how to speak Siri so that you can get your phone to do stuff while your hands are full. Check out my video. And you're gonna want super reliable backup for your computer to back up in your home and also back up to an offsite location in a way that you don't even need to think about it. It just happens. Most importantly, you're gonna need some help. We can help you with all of that, or any of that. Just head to Macinhome.com. If you want someone awesome and totally not condescending to come to you and take all of your technology challenges off your mind, head to Macinhome.com, because you've got way better things to do with your time. She's taking her first steps. Honey, honey.